indoor air tends to be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, even in the most industrialized cities like New York. Americans spend 90% of our time indoors. My home should not cause harm to my body. So that means choosing materials that are not going to off-gas toxic fumes. There are so many opportunities to reduce our toxic exposures. We should pick the things that we have no emotional attachments to. And oftentimes it's cleaning products. Even before opening up your windows when outdoor air quality seems pretty good is really high impact. Electromagnetic fields, or EMFs, are energy created from our wireless and wired technologies. It's the waves that come out of your TV, your remote control, your cell phone, your laptop, your Wi-Fi router. We don't really need our Wi-Fi routers at night when we're sleeping. I really propose people implement a Wi-Fi kill switch.
It's great to bring in other hobbies outside of technology and to fill your space that way.
It's easy to cut down, and it's constant energy that our bodies have to deal with. So to just give your bodies a break, I think is really helpful.
Understanding that we are our own healers. The healing that we're seeking outside, we can totally create and cultivate for ourselves. I love seeing people taking that consciousness into their home.